Hi, this is gonna be my first full vid. This one is called Pineapple Icy and it smells like pineapples. I was struggling a little bit to open the slimes. I realized that scissors don't work lol. The outside is very pretty. It has a good stretch too. It leaves a lot of residue. It also has good table play. It was very sticky. I got freebies. Wow! It came with borax, so I'll try that. Here is the one called Honeydew Bubble Tea. It's my fave looks. And I also love boba. By the way, I got all the slime from chillin' with Rachel. This one was really sticky. And I still have residue on my hands. That one I think is more for table play. This one I struggled a lot, so I'll skip it for you. This one is called Dragon Fruit Cubes. This one was the stickiest. And probably will take all the borax. Bye. This was my hand after. Tissum for watching.